If you're experiencing issues with voice chat on your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your microphone settings. Navigate to the settings menu on your PS5. Go to Sound and then select Microphone. Ensure that your microphone is set to the correct input device and that the volume levels are adjusted appropriately. Step 2. Test your headset. Disconnect your headset and reconnect it to ensure a proper connection. If possible, test the headset on another device to confirm that it is functioning correctly. Step 3. Adjust voice chat settings. In the game you are playing, check the voice chat settings. Make sure that voice chat is enabled and that your audio settings are configured to allow communication with other players. Step 4. Update your system software. Ensure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, then System, and select System Software. Choose System Software Update and Settings to check for updates and install any available updates. Step 5. Restart your console. If the issue persists, try restarting your PS5. Hold down the power button until the console turns off completely, then turn it back on. This can help reset any temporary glitches affecting voice chat functionality. If you followed these steps and still have issues, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.